right, we are talking about more ways to multiply, all the different strategies that there are to make it easier for you. So you can kind of pick whichever way your brain understands better. One of the ways we can multiply is repeated addition. Okay, so if I have 4 times 4, what I'm really talking about is that I have 4 4s. So I would do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so when I do that, I have 8 here plus 8 more. That equals 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, we could also do arrays. Okay, and that is where you make these. You could use X's, you could use circles, you could use really anything you want, but I'm going 4 over and I'm going 4 down. So again, I'll have 4 times 4. I could count all those out. It would still equal 16. Okay. Also, we can do groups of. Okay. I could have 4 groups of 4. Again, if I were to count all these out, put my 4 dots in my 4 circles, that would give me 16. My brain likes the pictures, so I like to be able to see it like this. If I got stuck, that's probably the method that I would go to. We all know the best method is memorizing it, though. That should be our #1 strategy, right? Okay, you can also skip count. I know a lot of you know songs that you have learned in the past that have the multiples of each number. That is really easy too. If I were to skip count my 4s, go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and I could keep going, okay? But if I want to know the 4th multiple, okay, I could skip count through 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, that's my answer there. 4 times 4 is 16. We'll do a little bit harder example for break it down, because you can use break it down as a strategy as well. So let's say I have 12 times 8, and I wanted to know what that was. Okay, I could take this 12 and I could actually break it down. I like to use this for the 12s because sometimes those can be a little bit harder. So I'm going to break my 12 down into a group of 10 and a group of 2, okay? Because 10 and 2 make 12. So I'm going to say 10 times 8 equals 80. I'm going to say 2 times 8 equals 16. And then I'm going to add these up. Now this is a good one to use for the 12s because when you do 10 times a number, it's always going to end in a 0. Okay, and then when I do 2 times a number, that's typically pretty easy, and then I can just mentally add these up. So now 80 plus 16 is 96. So my answer to 12 times 8 is 96. Again, the best way to do these is just to memorize your facts. Nothing will replace that, okay? But if you can't, these are some good plan B strategies that you can work on and you can go to if you get stuck. All right, keep working on multiplication, okay? It's gonna pay off.